Hey, good morning. Whatever time it is where you live, it's 10:45 a.m. here. I'm about to get ready to go somewhere with my wife and children, but I wanted to briefly post the realized gains again because today was the probably the largest day I've had so far this year. Not probably, it definitely was the largest day I've had so far this year. So I just wanted to show the big change literally like one day has made. And that's the beauty of being able to structure your trades right. So this video is a perfect segue to couple with the one that I did earlier about the importance of structuring a trade correctly. Um, so my percentage of the total amount, won and lost. So I won 8,600, lost 3,500. And so the total is a net positive of $5,100, and that 5,100 is 42.26% of total of these two added together. The average of the portfolio size, so if I track my portfolio size throughout this entire process so that I know exactly how much is essentially at risk. I'm at risk of losing. There's a net spend. If I spend a certain amount on a trade, sure, I may collect some credits too, but ultimately, the majority of the trades, I'm putting them on for a debit. And when I say trades, I'm talking about an entire position. So if I buy a long call and a long put, it's gonna be a net debit because I'm always net long. I mean, I'm always net debit. I'm always a net debit. So if it's a call, it's going to be the lower strike or, just a higher quantity, whatever, however I want to structure it. And if it's a put, the one that I pay a debit for is going to be the higher strike. So let's go through. I'm not going to go through every trade because I'm trying to make this video quick. Remember, I'm about to leave with the family, but I just wanted to explain what the numbers were. So I'm up about close to 80% based on the average of what my portfolio size usually is. My win rate is 67%, my loss rate is 32%, and my R score is 2.46%. That means I win 2.46 times the amount of my losers. I might have mentioned that yesterday on the video yesterday, but you can pause this at this point because, like I said, I'm trying to make the video quick. But really, I know I just want to go to the ones that were finished today, starting February 22nd. Uh, that's my time. So Shake Shack, I closed the Shake Shack, bunch of Celsius, Builder's First Choice, Aries Capital Corp. This I had lost on the long side a while ago, and these were some credits that honestly was a little bit um, risky for me to keep those on, but um, I was keeping into account the volatility of the stock, and that's why I just left them on and didn't try and buy to close them. I'm like, I collected 120 bucks on January the 9th. I had closed the long side of the trade because these are short, these are naked shorts, and normal and my school really frowns upon that, so I really shouldn't have done it, but I guess I was just confident that the volatility of this stock, it wasn't going to be below 20 by February 21st. And I ended up being right because the stock's at like 23 or 24 or whatever. I closed Bunge Global. This is a short, so the long is losing, but whatever. You could probably see that from the previous video too. And Trimble, I closed the short as well. Well, it expired worthless. Same with the Bunge. And then Celsius, this was I think that was the largest trade, not the largest percentage gain, but this was the largest gain in particular on the day. What else did I want to share? I think that was it. I guess that's it. Keep this video short and sweet, under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. And honestly, hold on, let me see. Hold up. 6420 is the average portfolio size. That was the last thing I wanted to share. That's about the average portfolio size. You probably could have figured that number out based on percentage of average portfolio size and then using this amount right here and just Using just these two numbers, you could have figured out what it was. But yeah. All right, y'all. Take care. Thank you for watching my video. God bless. Hope that um, somebody ends up deciding to take take these classes because if you're willing to put in the work, it's a difference maker. But that's the key. You just got to be willing to put in the work but it's worth it though because the amount you put in, you know what your average portfolio size is. That should tell you pretty much how much you could be winning if you take it seriously. You know what I mean? If you take it seriously, because the process can work, but it really is a lot of work, but it's worth it in the end. All right, y'all. Take care. God bless.